Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add emojis to your SQL database. So I've actually created a website where you add a comment, and when you click add comments, it's going to add it into a database. Then it's going to pull the information all the informations in the database, then display it here. Okay, so far there's no comments so far. So I'm gonna add a comment, a simple comment. And when I click add, you see that it adds it to the database and it pulls it out. So this is my database right here. So you see it has the comment hello. So now let's say I add a comment, an emoji right here. You will notice that I'm getting a question mark. You understand? So if I reload the database right here, you see I'm getting the question mark. So in order to fix this, all you have to do is you have to go into your code editor. You understand? Then you scroll down to where you initialized your database, your SQL database. Then all you have to do, you have to add another field, and the field is actually called charset. Okay, so you add a charset. I'm going to add a char set, and the char set you're going to add. So before you add the char set, remember to put the comma. Then the char set is going to be UTF-8MB4. Okay, so I'll change the char set to this. Then what I'm gonna do, I will now head out to my database here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to alter the table. You understand? So make sure that in the comments tab, where you are gonna be adding the information. You understand? So I'm adding it into this comments row here. That's where I'm adding my information. You see, let me go back. You see it's actually under the comments. Okay, so I'll go to alter table. Okay, so make sure how you are storing the data is this. Okay, make sure it's this. Make sure it has this thing in there. Okay, UF something. I know in you guys database might be different in any way. Just have to find a way to change the options to this one. Okay, which is under this UTF-8MB4, you understand? Which is what we added previously in our code editor. Okay, so make sure you choose this one. Okay, all right. So once you do that, I click save. Okay, so what I will now do, I'll now go back here. So now let's actually try to add an emoji now. Let's go copy an emoji from here. Where's the thumbs up? Thumbs up. Let's copy this emoji. And you see when I type it in here and I click add, you see it actually adds it. So it doesn't put the question mark stuff again. It actually adds it. Okay, and if I go into the database and I check all the entries in my database, you see it actually adds the emoji. Okay, so that's actually everything in the video. It's not really anything complicated. So let's test this one now. Add this comment, you see it adds it in. So that's actually how you add emojis into your database and retrieve it. It's still the same thing as adding texts, to your database. The only thing you have to do is you have to add, that field that we added. Okay, remember the field, the char set field. You just have to add it, in your database connection. In the way you initialize the database, you have to add that in there. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like and comment under the comments. Just type it works, you understand, so that I know that it's working for everybody. And subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. Alright, bye.